AI or human jobs? Everyone is talking about it. Some people say AI will replace everything. Others say humans will always stay important. But what's actually true? Let's break it down, simply and honestly. First, AI. AI is getting faster, smarter, and cheaper. Today, it can already write content, edit videos, analyze data, and companies love it because it saves time and reduces cost. So yeah, in many repetitive jobs, AI is already replacing humans. Things like basic data entry, simple customer support, even some content creation tasks. And this trend is only growing. But here's the part most people miss. AI doesn't think like humans. It works based on patterns. It doesn't truly understand emotions, creativity, or real-life experience. And that's where humans come in. Now, human jobs. Humans still dominate in areas like decision-making, creative thinking, communication, and leadership. Jobs like business strategy, content creation with personality, and problem solving are still hard to replace. And here's something important. The highest earners in the future won't be people competing with AI. They'll be the ones using AI. Think about it. A person who understands tools can work faster, create more, and earn more than someone working alone. So AI versus human jobs? AI will replace some jobs, but it will also create new opportunities. Humans won't disappear, but the way they work will change. So the real question is not AI or human. It's, are you ready to adapt?